Hello everyone, good morning. I'm eating breakfast. My madam buy for me this one. Look. Okay, my madam is very nice to me. Because I'm good person. Sana all. It's expensive. This is 100 KD. Good morning everyone. Like and share na. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Because I don't have followers, I don't have subscribers. Subscribe me, ha? I'm eating now. This one cheese. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Did you see me? Because today is 10. I wake up 10. I wake up late because I'm watching the TikTok. Bye. Good morning.